Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the CONVERSE CTAS Construct Hi. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the CONVERSE Chuck Taylor All-Star Construct Hi. We've got this in the roasted black e-girt colorway in the UK size 8, European 42.5, and it's US 9. So let's do unboxing right now. And here they are. So these remind me, we've done something similar. This reminds me of the Kim Jones collaboration because of like the stack and this elongated part right here that's on the upper, but we'll get into all those details when we get there. First of all, we're going to start with the outsole. So this outsole is a bit different to what I'm used to when I'm looking at Converse outsoles, because you're used to looking at that, you know, that iconic Converse print that's on all of their rubber outsoles. So this is a rubber outsole, however you've got herringbone tractioning, so that is typical for a lot of the basketball sneakers. I mean, the Converse All-Star is originally a basketball sneakers for those that don't know. Then the midsole unit is a bit different again. So typically Converse is with the All-Star highs, they have a rubber cupsole, but this time it is a foam, and you can kind of see it. It does still feel a bit like rubber, but the cupsole itself is more EVA foam. The rubber extends as part of this cage right there, and it's all around wrapping up through the sneaker itself. Looking at the upper, so you got that, you know, infamous, iconic, there we go, that's the better word for it, iconic canvas upper that you're familiar with when it comes to Converses. And on the medial side, you've got the Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor. Imagine it's stacked there. The upper, again, it's just made of the canvas material, and like I mentioned before, you've got this like rubber caging unit on the upper that stretches. Lacing system, you've got just a pair of flat laces right there. Look at that toe box, rubber toe box, iconic. Not much to say on the lateral sides and on the heel, but you've got your Converse All-Star embossed there. And on the insole, there is an awful light insole made of foam for your comfort. So this will be typically more comfortable than a normal pair of Converse Converse All-Star Chuck Taylors. There we go. And it feels a bit more padded right here. So if you feel in the inner like it's a little more padded than what you're used to when it's just like a sheet of canvas. And the same can be said about the tongue, it's a bit more padded. So this is going to be a bit more comfortable, I'm hoping. So when I do the on-feet review, I'm going to say that, I'm hoping. All that said and done, it's time for that on-feet review. So roll up footage of me trying these on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Converse fit. I'm usually a 7.5 when it comes to Converses, or if I wanted a bit tight, I'll get a half size down. This is a bit too big because this is a UK size 8. My toes can barely touch the tip actually, which is annoying. And it feels a bit like loose if I was to do a lot of movement right there. However, it's very comfortable as opposed to your typical all-star highs. I can feel the platform. Still, the Ultralight insole is just making that a bit difference. Again, it makes it a bit more comfortable. And yeah, I do wish I got my regular size of what I usually wear when it comes to Converse, but we could only get size 8. So here it is in all its glory. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.